On a whim, I went to Mexico to see the pyramids, and after that, it was over. I had the thirst for travel. I remember walking up to the pyramids for the first time, and there was like this path with trees and stuff like that, and slowly the pyramids were revealing, and my hair on my arm was just, and when it finally actually revealed, I was like, oh my god. You see things in pictures, you see them in movies, on TV and all that stuff, but to be there, the feeling is incredible. Since then, I've tried to do any sort of travel to see new things, and every time I get to a location, I just feel like I'm not doing enough. I need to see more things, see more cultures, be it abroad or in the US. Anywhere that there's history, there's people to meet. Food, music, art, history, all of that stuff plays such a big role in my travel. I'm not slowing down. Looking back at this footage gave me the fuel to explore more, to learn more, to grow more, to just say yes to more experiences, even if they feel uncomfortable. Sometimes those are the best ones. I have been traveling in a van for the past 2 years. I built this thing myself, which is an incredible journey on its own. It makes me do things that are out of my comfort zone, which is hard to get out of. You know, everybody loves to be comfortable. Sometimes you don't get that push to step on the other side and try the uncomfortable, and you will be surprised as humans how incredible we really are, how many more things we accomplish, how many things we get to experience just because of that push. This video is to inspire me and hopefully inspire you to live your life to the fullest. Thank you to all of you that have tuned in and checked out my journey and hopefully got something out of my videos. Hopefully got inspired to make that first step into the unknown. The journey continues. I'll see you guys